Alright, so it's been a while, actually a good while. About a week or so since I grabbed the camera. Didn't really felt like doing anything. Got this 7800 in the shop here. You might as well think it's springtime, but clean the cab out, blow the cab out, do that kind of stuff, take the CB out of it. See what kind of filters we got, because if we get the filters, we could do an oil change while the thing's in here, but I doubt I want to do an oil change. But maybe that's why the thing's in here, so we can do an oil change now, get it done and over with, and we won't have to touch the darn thing until, what, about April or so. Turn the heater on, knock some of the chill off in here, because I tell you what, there ain't nothing worse than trying to work and being wet, cold, and yeah. Well, I got that far. I need to find me a ladder, because I really don't feel like climbing up the back end like I've done before in the past. That could have been bad. There. Got the antenna down. I got the CB out. That's all it is, just a regular Cobra 29 Classic mounted on a slow moving vehicle sign. Yes, with the bracket still intact. We didn't modify the bracket to make the sign work, or the slow moving vehicle bracket. Well, you start the day out by picking the bed up a little bit. Let the water run out, because you don't feel safe letting it in the building. There's no drain in the building. So you pick the thing up, let the water run out for a couple minutes. It's a good thing I took and tippied these buckets on their end. I think that's good enough. There. So we're done with harvest. Got the 7800 all cleaned up. It needs washed, but we'll do that later. Got the radio all pulled out of it like you seen yesterday. And what we got going down there? What do we got going over here? Cows having fun or something. And Farmer Pete's over here blowing off the soybean head, because we are officially done. We finished up about a week ago, if I remember right. Let's see if a little skid loader will start. Let the glow plug work while I get in the seat, because it'll take it a minute to work. That little light out there, up there, when that light goes out, it's okay to start. Alright, so we're back working on this thing again here. 30-foot grain head. Got the right stuff this time. That box there with the duct tape is the wrong box. This is the right box. I'm assuming, well, I know what is in this box is the right floor for that grain head, because the floor is all rotted out in the thing. As you can see down here, floor pan is junk. It's just, you can tell that it's junk. It's junk. It's got spots in it that, you know, are broke, and just, yeah, it's wore thin. Got a new knife in it, new used knife, I should say. I went through and I greased the whole entire thing this morning, so that's all done, ready to go. What I was doing earlier, or actually there's more to the floor pan there, is I was taking apart this here, took all of these off, all these knives here, took all them off. Then I got to take these off before I leave Tuesday. Yeah, actually these are all already unbolted. I don't know who unbolted these, but we got to take these off because we're going to use this piece here, because this is bad. That is not supposed to look like that. This is the drive side of things, so it's got the grease fit in there. So I don't understand all the sections. I know it's got to make 30 foot, but you know, it'll make 30 foot either way. How it goes back together, I don't know, because I didn't take the thing apart. Well, I did and I didn't. I just took they got little clips here. This is the bucket that the knives come out of. I got little clips here. Got these guys here that go in like a such here that hold the knife in. Then it sits and then it sandwiches it together. But then it's got nuts that it goes on. And everything is good to go. But yeah, it's too darn cold out to do anything outside today, so we just decided to do inside work. So that is what we're doing. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Is I gotta pull all these off, put them, and then we will put them on this one here. Let's see. No, I ain't gonna have to end up drilling holes. I don't know which way these things go. I not my cup of tea. I wasn't here when we, you know, took the thing apart. All I did was just take the old blade, or take the old knives off of that one. I didn't see how the thing come apart. I know there's a dumb way of doing this, and it is, some of these have a key. You got to hold this, take the impact, and you gotta loosen them with the key here. Why in God's name you would need to do it that way, I got no freaking clue. But yeah, it's an ever-loving pain in the butt, but you know, such is life. I mean, it, you know, such as that, it just keeps, you know, the vicious cycle going. But anywho, there's my bucket of hardware nuts and the little keepers and giblets like that. So that is what is going down this week. It is getting rebuilt ever so slowly, but I mean, it's better to go slow than hastily screw things up. And we're going through and fixing fingers. I just now noticed, you can't spin that reel, can you? But anywho, I don't know if you guys, there's little screws up in there. There's little screws up in there. You take them loose and you can take these fingers out here and replace them. Like I say, they're new, so you know, I don't know how many fingers he's got. There's a really good comparison right here between these two. If you eyeball it up with the top of that platform, you can tell these are a lot longer. So yeah, that is what is happening. So yeah. Catch you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Hey Pete, you got any other ideas for this thing, or you want me to still take these off, put them in the bucket? These old knives? Okay. You want me to go through and look for bent ones, broke ones, wore ones? Okay. I just had a tire blowout. Dad too lazy to grade the ruts around here, and that's what caused it to blow out. I twisted funny and popped it off the bead. Yeah. It's flat. Got my block where I want it. I'm gonna push down, pick the front end of the machine up. Come on here. Yeah, not even 6-month-old tire and the thing's flat. That's what happens when you don't grade ruts out. So it's these ruts back here that did it. Too darn lazy to grade. They're half froze, and yeah, went to go twist just right, and a tire blew off, like you seen there. Yeah, this is getting graded up next time. This is ridiculous. This is just, yeah. Yeah, this whole time change is just ridiculous. I mean, they could have just left the whole thing alone. But, whatever, it is what it is. Yeah. Oh, so we got the grain head put away over here. But that's not where it's gonna go. The combine's gotta go there, and or else Maybe the combine will go in here and nose up in here or something. I don't know, but yeah, it's like playing Tetris. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching.